Tech hiccups, navigating the world of modern glitches. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the interesting world of tech hiccups. This phrase is commonly used in our digital era, but what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we explore this term, its significance, and examples to help you understand it better. Tech hiccups refers to minor, temporary problems in technological systems or devices. These are not serious issues but can be annoying interruptions in the smooth operation of technology. Think of them as the digital equivalent of a temporary stutter in a conversation. They are short-lived and often easily resolved. Let's look at some everyday situations where you might encounter tech hiccups. A web page taking longer to load than usual. Brief disconnections during a video call. A smartphone app crashing and then working fine after a restart. These examples highlight that tech hiccups are a part of our daily digital interactions. When faced with a tech hiccup, the best approach is usually simple troubleshooting. 1. Restart the device or application. 2. Check your internet connection, if applicable. 3. Update the software to its latest version. Remember, patience is key, as most tech hiccups are resolved with these basic steps. Tech hiccup is often used in casual conversations, especially when discussing technology-related frustrations. It's a way to describe a glitch without technical jargon, making it accessible to everyone. And that's a wrap on tech hiccups. We hope this video has shed light on this common phrase in our digital vocabulary. Remember, the next time you face a small glitch, just call it a tech hiccup and know that it's usually nothing to worry about. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.